Good afternoon, Chet Porter coming to you from MarineMax Savannah. Take a few minutes to tell you about this 2020-21 SPX Outboard Sea Ray. So the boat is the gray package interior. You got plenty of seating up forward with nice contoured backrest. Fusion stereo speakers with stainless steel handholds up forward. Very nice cup holders up there to put your drinks in. Up at the dash we have a Simrad GPS depth finder with gauges, hour meter, and fusion stereo up here. We have tilt steering wheel, and then we have USB port and 12-volt plug-ins up here for all your electronics. Flip up thigh-rise seats, it's a nice touch. And this boat has 2 bucket seats, which is very nice. Got some in-floor storage here. It's a great place for skis, water toys, plenty of room in there with gas-assisted shocks. Keep everything nice and dry, piano hinge. Then we have storage over here for coolers, whatever else you might have, and a lockable glove box to keep your phones and stuff in. Moving back, we have storage and a cooler underneath the seat. This can also be used as a cooler with a drain. Corner storage here, so plenty of room. And then because this boat comes in 2 configurations with an outboard and an inboard outboard, this particular one has tons of storage back here for toys, lawn chairs, whatever you may have. So it's really nice and roomy. But it also features a backrest that pulls up if you're at the beach facing aft. So that's really nice. You can watch the kids swimming, whatever you may do. You have storage over here. A transom door that opens up with storage underneath it. And then this boat is powered with the V6 white in color 200 horsepower new engine from Mercury, so that does a really good job. And then you have a ski paddle on the back and a 12-volt plug in here for spotlights or any other thing that you might use, blow up water sports toys, whatever it may be. So give us a call if you have any additional questions. MarineMax Savannah, 912-897-9881. Thanks.